name is Alkati. Today I am studying 9th class. Today I am going to tell about the examples of voice.
My name is Yojita. I'm studying in 9th standard. Today I'm going to tell the examples in active and passive voice.
Okay. So what is your topic?
Our topic is Yojita and Karthik study tenses.
So active voice ఎవరిది? చెప్పమ్మా.
Active voice simple past. Yours and Karthik study tenses.
Passive voice simple past. Tenses was studied by Yojita and Karthik.
Active voice past continuous. Yours and Karthik were studying tenses.
Passive voice past continuous. Tenses was being studied by Yochita and Karthik.
Active voice past perfect. Yours and Karthik had studied tenses.
Passive voice past perfect. Tenses had been studied by Yochita and Karthik.
Active voice simple present. Yours and Karthik study tenses.
Passive voice simple present. Tenses is studied by Yojita and Karthik.
Active voice present continuous. Yes and Karthik are studying tenses.
Passive voice present continuous. Tenses is being studied by Yojita and Karthik.
Active voice present perfect. Yes and Karthik had studied tenses.
Passive voice present perfect. Tenses has been studied by Yojita and Karthik.
Active voice simple future. Yes and Karthik will study tenses.
Passive voice simple future. Tenses will be studied by Yojita and Karthik.
Active voice future perfect. Yes and Karthik will have studied tenses.
Passive voice future perfect. Tenses will have been studied by Yojita and Karthik.
Very good, ma. Class for అందరూ. Class చేయండి. Very good. Very good.
I am Jyoti. I am studying 8th class. I would like to tell about active voice example.
Warm good evening to everyone. My name is Shekshita. I am studying 9th class. I would like to say examples of passive voice. Our topic is
Chocolates.
passive voice simple past. Chocolates were eaten by Jyoti Shekshita.
Past continuous active voice. Jyoti Chechita were eating chocolates.
Passive voice past continuous. Chocolates were being eaten by Jyoti and Chechita.
Past perfect. Jyoti Chechita had eaten chocolates.
Passive voice past perfect. Chocolates had been eaten by Jyoti and Chechita.
Simple present active voice. Jyoti Chechita eat chocolates.
Passive voice simple present. Chocolates are eaten by Jyoti and Chechita.
Present continuous active voice. Jyoti Chechita are eating chocolates.
Passive voice past present continuous. Chocolates are being eaten by Jyoti and Chechita.
Present perfect. Jyoti Chechita have eaten chocolate.
Passive voice present perfect. Chocolates have been eaten by Jyoti and Chechita.
Simple future active voice. Jyoti Chechita will eat chocolates.
Passive voice simple future. Chocolates will be eaten by Jyoti and Chechita.
Future perfect active voice. Jyoti Chechita will have eaten chocolates.
Passive voice future continuous. Chocolates will have been eaten by Jyoti and Chechita.
Okay, class కొడదాం అందరూ. గట్టిగా ఉండండి కొంచెం. ఓపిక లేనట్టుగా.
Yashwant, I am studying 9th class. I am telling about active voice examples. I am Jyoshna and I am studying in 8th class. I would like to tell about passive voice examples.
టాపిక్ చెప్పండి ఎవరు ఏ టాపిక్ మీది
Ashwant and
అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈస్
our topic is Ashwant and Jyoshna played cricket.
ఓకే క్యారీ
Simple past. Ashwant and Jyoshna played cricket. Cricket was played.
సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్
Simple past passive voice. Cricket was played by Ashwant and Jyoshna. Past continuous. Ashwant and Jyoshna were playing. Past continuous passive voice. Cricket was being played by Ashwant and Jyoshna. Past perfect. Active voice. Ashwant and Jyoshna had played cricket. Past perfect. Passive voice. Cricket had been played by Ashwant and Jyoshna. Present. Ashwant and Jyoshna plays cricket. Play cricket. Simple present. Passive voice. Cricket is played by Ashwant and Jyoshna. Present continuous. Active voice. Ashwant and Jyoshna are playing cricket. Present continuous. Passive voice. Cricket is being played by Ashwant and Jyoshna. Active voice. Present perfect. Ashwant and Jyoshna have played cricket. Present perfect. Passive voice. Cricket has been played by Ashwant and Jyoshna. Simple future. Active voice. Ashwant and Jyoshna play cricket. Simple future.
విల్ ప్లే
Simple future. Passive voice. Cricket will be played by Ashwant and Jyoshna. Future perfect. Active voice. Ashwant and Jyoshna will have played cricket. Played cricket.
చెప్పాలంటే
Future perfect. Passive voice. Cricket will have played by Ashwant and Jyoshna. Bean will have be played by Ashwant and Jyoshna.
ఓకే మా క్లాప్స్ కొట్టినాం అందరూ
Akshat, I would like to tell about examples of voice active voice.
చెప్పమ్మా
I am G. Partha. I am studying in class 8. I would like to tell about passive voice example. Our topic is
తక్సక్ ప్లీడెడ్ పార్ట్ చెప్పండమ్మా క్యారీ
Active voice. Simple past active voice. Takshak pleaded Pardu.
simple past. The Pardu was bleeded by Takshak.
Active voice. Past continuous. Takshak was pleading Pardu.
Passive voice past continuous. Pardu was being pleaded by Takshak.
Past perfect. Active voice. Takshak had pleaded Pardu.
Passive voice past perfect. Pardu had been pleaded by Takshak.
Active voice. Simple past. Simple present. Takshak pleads Pardu.
Passive voice simple present. Pardu is pleading Takshak.
ప్లీడెడ్ బై
Pleaded by Takshak.
Active voice present continuous. Active voice present continuous. Takshak is pleading Pardu.
Passive voice present continuous. Pardu is being pleaded by Takshak.
Active voice present continuous. Takshak has pleaded by Pardu.
Pardu has been pleaded by Takshak.
Active voice simple future. Takshak will plead Pardu.
Passive voice simple future. Pardu will be pleaded by Takshak.
Active voice present future perfect. Takshak will have pleaded Pardu.
Will have been pleaded by Takshak.
మీరు క్లాప్స్ కొట్టినాం అందరూ వస్తారా
I am Abhilash. I am telling about active voice. Active voice.
వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న
My topic is Abhilash kisses Avinash.
లవ్స్
Abhilash loves Avinash.
ఓకే సో నీ టాపిక్ ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్ చెప్తారు మీరు ఓకే క్యారీ ఓకే చెప్పండి యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ ఎవరు ఇటు వచ్చి అయితే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు స్టార్ట్.
Simple past active voice.
చెప్పమ్మా.
Introduction.
అవసరం డైరెక్ట్ చెప్పే.
Simple past active voice. Abhilash loved Avinash. Abhilash loved Avinash. Passive voice. Simple past. Avinash was loved by Abhilash. Past continuous active voice. Abhilash was loving Avinash. Passive voice. Past continuous.
నీ పేరు మీకే తెలియదు.
Abhilash.
అయిపోయింది.
Past continuous. Avinash was being loved by Abhilash. Past perfect active voice. Abhilash had loved Avinash. Passive voice. Past perfect. Avinash had been loved by Abhilash. Simple present. Simple present. Abhilash loves Avinash. Simple present. Passive voice. Avinash is loved by Abhilash. Future continuous. Abhilash. The present continuous. Abhilash is loving Avinash. The present continuous passive voice. Avinash is being loved by Abhilash. Present perfect. Abhilash.
వాయిస్ యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ చెప్పాలి. పర్ఫెక్ట్.
Present perfect active voice. Abhilash has loved Avinash. Present perfect passive voice. Avinash has been loved by Abhilash.
గుడ్.
Simple future. Abhilash will love Avinash. Simple future passive voice. Avinash will be loved Abhilash. By Abhilash. Future continuous active voice. Abhilash will be loving Avinash. Future continuous.
కంటిన్యూస్ ఫోన్ చెప్పింది.
Future continues. Future continues. Avinash will be being loved by Abhilash. Future perfect active voice. Abhilash will have loved Avinash. Simple future perfect passive voice. Avinash will have been loved by Abhilash.
క్లాప్స్ కొట్టండి అందరూ.
Seventh class. Today I am going to say active voice. I am Asusha. I'm 7th class. I would like to tell about passive voice examples.
ఓకే క్యారీ ఆన్. చెప్పండి.
Topic.
ఆ టాపిక్ చెప్పండి.
Our topic is Ritesh loved Usha.
లైక్
Active voice.
లైక్ అని చెప్పు.
Our topic is Ritesh liked Usha.
అంతే.
Active voice. Simple past. Ritesh liked Usha. Passive voice. Simple past. Usha was liked by Ritesh. Active voice. Present past continuous. Ritesh was liking Usha.
వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న.
Passive voice. Past continuous. Usha was being liked by Ritesh. Active voice. Past perfect. Ritesh had liked Usha. Passive voice. Past perfect. Usha had been liked by Ritesh. Active voice. Simple present. Ritesh likes Usha. Passive voice. Simple present. Usha is liked by Ritesh. Active voice. Present continuous. Ritesh is liking Usha. Passive voice. Passive voice. Present continuous. Usha is being liked by Ritesh. Active voice. Present perfect. Ritesh has liked Usha. Passive voice. Present perfect. Usha has been liked by Ritesh. Active voice. Simple future. Ritesh will like Usha. Passive voice. Simple future. Usha will be liked by Ritesh. Active voice. Future perfect. Ritesh will have liked Usha. Passive voice. Simple future perfect. Usha Usha will have been liked by Ritesh.
ఓకే అంతే. కొనండి క్లాస్ కొట్టిన అందరూ గట్టి కొట్టాలి. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్.
Our class today I would like to tell about examples of passive voice. I am Harshvardhan. I am studying in 8th class. To tell about active voice examples.
వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ టాపిక్?
Teja hit Harsha. Simple past active voice. Teja hit Harsha. Simple past passive voice. Harsha was hit by Teja. Past continuous active voice. Teja was hitting Harsha. Past continuous passive voice. Harsha was being hit by Teja. Past perfect. Past perfect active voice. Teja had hit Harsha. Past perfect passive voice. Harsha had been hit by Teja. Simple present.
హ్యాడ్ బీన్
Hit.
అంతే సరే.
Simple present active voice. Teja hit Harsha. Simple present
తేజ హిట్స్.
Teja hits Harsha. Simple present passive voice. Harsha is hit by Teja. Present continuous active voice. Teja is hit. Teja is hits.
ప్రెజెంట్ ఏంటి? ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్.
Present perfect.
తేజ
Teja is hit.
Teja has. ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కదా. కంటిన్యూస్
Present continuous active voice. Teja is hit Harsha.
హిట్టింగ్, ఈజ్ హిట్టింగ్. ప్రెజెంట్
Hit.
కంటిన్యూస్ కదా. ఇది ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్ యాక్టివ్ వాయిసా?
Active voice.
మరి ఈ పక్కన V4 వస్తుంది. చెప్పు. తేజ ఈజ్
Hitting Harsha.
చెప్పు మళ్ళీ చెప్పు ఫస్ట్ నుంచి. ప్రెజెంట్
Present
కంటిన్యూస్.
continuous active voice. Teja is hitting Harsha. Present continuous passive voice. Harsha is being hit by Teja. Present. Teja has hit Harsha. Present perfect active passive voice. Harsha has been hit by Teja. Simple future active voice. Teja will hit Harsha. Simple future passive voice. Harsha will be hit by Teja. Future perfect active voice. Teja will have hit Harsha. Future perfect passive voice. Harsha will have been hit by Teja.
వెరీ గుడ్. మా క్లాస్ కొట్టిన అందరూ సూపర్ సూపర్. రండి.
Nikhil, I'm studying in 9th class. Like to tell about voice, active voice,
యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్. వాట్స్ టాపిక్?
passive voice.
అదేరా ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఏ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇచ్చాను మీకు నేను?
Akhil was provoked by Nikhil.
అఖిల్ ప్రొవోక్ నిఖిల్.
Nikhil provoked Akhil. Nikhil provoked Akhil.
అయిపోయింది. ఓకే చెప్పమ్మా.
Example, Nikhil provoked Akhil.
దట్స్ యువర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. క్యారీ ఆన్ చెప్పు. యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ చెప్పమ్మా.
Simple past.
ఇలా బాగుంటుంది చెప్పండి.
Simple past active voice. Nikhil provoked Akhil. Simple past passive voice. Nikhil was provoked by Akhil. Good. Past continuous active voice. Nikhil was provoking Akhil. Past continuous passive voice. Nikhil.
అఖిల్ చెప్పాలి. అఖిల్ ఫస్ట్ నిఖిల్ అఖిల సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎవరు? ఫస్ట్ చెప్పండి.
Active voice. Nikhil provoked Akhil. Simple past passive voice. Akhil was provoked by Nikhil.
గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్.
Past continuous active voice. Nikhil was provoking Akhil. Past continuous passive voice. Akhil was being provoked by Nikhil.
సూపర్ నాన్న.
Past perfect active voice. Nikhil had provoked Akhil. Past perfect passive voice.
ఫస్ట్ అఖిల్ చెప్పాలా?
Akhil had been provoked by Nikhil.
Good, అంతే.
Simple present active voice. Nikhil provoked Akhil. Simple present passive voice. Akhil is provoked by Nikhil.
అంతే.
Present continuous active voice. Nikhil is provoking Akhil.
ప్రెజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్.
Present continuous passive voice.
చెప్పు. వెయిట్ అండ్ చెప్పు.
Present continuous.
అంటే అఖిల్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్.
Akhil is being provoked by Nikhil. Present perfect active voice. Nikhil has provoked Akhil. Past
Present perfect.
present perfect passive voice. Akhil Akhil has been provoked by Nikhil. Simple future active voice. Nikhil will provoke Akhil. Simple future passive voice. Akhil shall be provoked by Nikhil.
Will be.
Akhil will be provoked by Nikhil. Future continuous active voice. Nikhil will be provoking Akhil. Simple active voice. Nikhil will have provoked Akhil.
Passive voice.
Future perfect passive voice. Akhil shall be will have been provoked by Nikhil.
Good. Very good. Class కొట్టినాం అందరూ. Very good. బాగా చెప్పారు. Good. బాగా